friends, another episode of my YouTube channel here, Discovering Chile, an office camper. I'm gonna thank to all of my new subscribers, all the comments. I'm not in my van now. I need to repair my engines. I'm discovering different parts of me and what I can do, and maybe my van parked there outside my brother's home with the engine broke is going to be great to explore different kind of things to do here in my channel. So if you have a request, if you have an idea, if you have some questions related, you can always ask there. Leave me a comment down below in the comment box, or you can send me a private message. And also in the about page of my YouTube channel is my email also, so you always can write to be in contact. This video today is about the mood, the good mood when you are in nature, and what you feel and what it's all about. So I want to talk about that today. So here's the video. I'm very relaxed and thinking about what is nature for me, because all the people that you see in this kind of places, they really are in a very good mood. Totally different to being in a city. Definitely all of your organics, apart from your spiritual part also, but all of your organics get in contact with nature, get in contact with our own organics, because we are organic beings. I think being in this kind of places give us that possibility to get in contact with our own organics in this earth. I feel that life is so tuned. Everything is so tuned in nature. It's so well done. It's so beautifully designed that this is like a symphony where all the keys, all the notes, the different play his own vibration, and when all of that vibrations come together, we can talk about life. And I think this planet, it is all about that. It is about that symphony, that beautiful made design that it is called life and nature. I know that sometimes all of this sounds so beautiful, but very difficult to land all of these ideas into our world, our daily world. We are living in big cities full of traffic, a lot of people, and we have an agenda that is to serve the priorities of other beings, and that's almost all the time make us being without time for us. That's why I consider that it is so important to get back in contact with your own self, get in contact with what you love. In my case, I have an opportunity here, and that opportunity, all of you are giving me this opportunity to share this, because you like my videos, and you encourage me to make more videos. So that's why I love, and if I can experiment this pleasure making this video now, is because of all of you guys that haven't given me the opportunity of do my best here. So that's why I consider that it's so important to get back to you, get back to yourself. So basically, I think that we can be free in this life. Basically, I think that we can reach that dream, that goal, making what we love. And I saw a lot of people, people that they are far ahead from me in doing this in their lives. They are making an incredible journey, an incredible life, because they are making what they love. There is a very popular concept out there that when you make what you love, all the universe uh, helps you to make the dream come true. And I believe that. It is not a popular, only a popular. There are not only popular words. I believe that because, as I told you, as I feel, this is a symphony, and in that symphony, everything is interconnected. And when you vibrate in some frequency, I think that frequency resonates uh, with what you are you are experiment. So I think that is not magic. I think that is science, and we don't know nothing about the science of life. I understand now better why it's great to be in nature, why it's good to make some exercise, and what is it is great to get back to where you belong, and where you belong is nature. This is the most familiar place for you. Everything is pure, the water, the air that you breathe, everything in is completely different that in big cities. And in cities you get stress, and here you get honest stress or distress. I don't know what's the right word. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you like it, always you can hit the button over there, and you help me to share this content with your social media also. So see you on the next video.